iOS 26 is finally here, and today video I'm gonna show you how to install this beta version on your device. It is completely free. So now let me show you how to do it. Now I already installed it on my iPhone 16e. As you can see, we have like a new icon including like control center. It looks like glass. Apple call it liquid glass. Now in order to install it, you need to make sure that you have a lot of free space on your device. So for me, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it is about 512 gigabytes, so it is normal, it is fine. So now to install it, go into Safari, and then you need to search for beta Apple, and you need to go into beta.apple.com. After that, scroll down, you need to click on sign in with your Apple ID. So I'm gonna sign in with my Apple ID right now, and then make sure you select on iOS, and now it is selected. Scroll down a bit, click on enroll your iOS device, and that's it. So just click on open beta update. It's gonna go into the update itself. So you can see here it allow you to install iOS 26 developer beta. Just go ahead and check on it. Go back, you should be able to see this update. So make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and then click on update now. Wait for the process to finish, and then you will get the new beta version that you can like try it out. For me, I recommend you to back up your data also. And that's it. Hope this video helped you. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.